there we are, guys and gals. We're gonna make some remarks and reviews about the movie that we have watched. It's a Josh Leah tandem. Happy for you, unhappy for you. So, guys and gals, how is it? You know what, guys and gals? Different kinds of emotions that they're having about the movie right now. One of them are being jolly, one of them is being, she says a while ago, she's in love, and the one not yet ready to say undecided, and the other one is being not happy because it's a sad movie. Anyway, so let's start our discussion. So, you, the one in Bulaklakin shirt, can you guys please compress? Yan. Do not hide your face, okay? Wow, Miss Universe na dati. Oh my gosh, Miss Universe. The final four. Wow, the final four.
The honorable Bichara.
Well, so, guys, as you can see, the final four, the top four. Guys, I supposed not to laugh, but I can't control myself, guys. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Can you please come over, guys? Let's now continue. Guys. Oh my god. Okay, guys. So, guys, actually, this could be the first time having a top 4 finalists of Miss Universe, because on different age, different era. So, all in. Okay.
All in one.
Who will be the one to do the first, guys? Come on. Concentrate. First here. Okay. So, who will be the one to do the first? Can somebody raise her hands? Okay. Final number 2. Finalist number 2. Okay. I want you to be the first one because you're some kind of a jolly. So, guys and gals, just in case you can say on English, say it on Tagalog, okay? So, I'm gonna ask you on English, but you can answer on Tagalog. Whatever language do you want, Bicol or Spanish, Japanese, Chinese, whatever it is, okay? So, I want you to be the first one, okay? So, come on. What can you say about the movie?